Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that belongs to the world of chemical sciences. Which is an element? Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as lithium, lithium, li, thi, yum, lithium. Lithium is generally safe and essential in small amounts for its role in mental health treatments and batteries. However, excessive exposure or incorrect usage can be harmful. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about lithium, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.